goodness, bro. I can't exaggerate how packed this thing is, bro. Cop just pulled up. Not sure if they're here in a friendly way or in everybody's getting a ticket away. Bro, they just announced that they're gonna do a slap box fight or whatever. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're currently starting this video like at 8 or 9 p.m. We're on the way to a meet. I have not been to a meet in the Z. I don't even know in how long. I know for a fact the car was not wrapped. I have not taken this car out since it's been wrapped. We're gonna meet up with the homie Jimmy, I think some of his friends, and head to a meet. It's actually, I believe, it's a 7-Eleven like takeover. I'm sure you guys have seen those clips on like Instagram and TikTok, whatever, where like hella cars take over a 7-Eleven. That's what today's gonna be about. So we're going a little early to hopefully be able to park inside. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance. It's super fucking windy, bro. It's super windy, but I met up with some homies right here. 240, I just pulled up. Jimmy's F80. Got a 5 Supra. M340i all over me. Oh, and it's an X-Drive too. With the clear tail, that's fire, bro. Funny enough, I really wanted a black one, bro, but I couldn't find one. This shit's clean, dude. On the Supra, these are Supra wheels, right? Yeah. It's fire, bro. Oh, different bumper, sick. Damn, this shit looks super aggressive, bro. Thank you, bro. Super nice. I don't know my Audis like that, but I think that's an RS5. Shit's hard. Rolling pretty deep. Yeah, I got the Hyundai. I do want to apologize in advance for the wind. I need to get like a microphone or something that'll like help with the wind. Yeah, it's super cold, guys. You guys in the East Coast, if there's anybody watching from like the East Coast, probably gonna laugh, or like Colorado or something. It's 46, 47 degrees, but with wind, bro, I'm freezing my ass off. I know you guys from the East Coast are probably laughing like, bro, that's nothing. But in Cali, bro, that's like freezing temperatures. Oh, damn, got the carbon fender. Damn, these guys, they don't drive crazy, but it's so hard to film and drive manual and like not crash. Next time, I'm an idiot. I should have brought my GoPro. I would have been just solved all my issues. Guys, the meet hasn't even started and it's already super packed in here. What time is it? Like 8:40? 8:50? It starts at 9. It's 8:53. It starts at 9. It's just already packed out. Alright, guys, we got a pretty good spot at one of the pumps. Got Jimmy's F80. Funny enough, I don't think I've said this in the video. He used to own this F80. I driven this F80. He sold it and he bought it back. The only thing the owner changed was put some back blue tees on it. This thing has to be one of the cleanest F80s. I'm gonna say maybe in SoCal, bro. So simple, but so clean. The M340i that we're cruising with. There's something about black M340i's, bro. They're so fire. On the super stocks. Super simple and super clean. You guys know this guy right here. We've cruised with him before. Candy red M340i on the chrome TEs. This thing is so fire, bro. Supra on the chrome stocks. SP1R, that was a must-have if I got a Supra. The best exhaust on the market for sure. Over here at the entrance, we got a Benz, C8, Ferrari, satin pearl white. I know you have happy dad hats. Super fire. Got a Viper, ZR1. This is a must-have for me one day, bro. And this color too. This or that Sonic Blue. Turbo S just pulled up. My goodness, bro. Funny enough, I never really ever cared for Porsches, but I started getting more educated about them and I need that. Got 2 wide body Hellcats over here. If they were a little bit cheaper, bro, I deadass would have bought one. They're just a little too expensive in my opinion, but they're so fire. Got a pretty clean back G over here. On the SSRs, carbon fiber front bumper, all right then, my bad G. Just clean. Got a Mach 1. Who remembers that blue one I raced? Damn, it's been over a year already since I raced that guy. Underrated cars, RCF. Very nice. They sound phenomenal. The Audi that was with us, I called it an RS5 and it's RS6. Wagon. This thing is fire, bro. Super clean. Damn, that brake thing. Like I said, guys, this meet hasn't even started yet and it's already packed out. Nah, no way these fools brought this, bro. I didn't even know you could do that on the Cybertruck. A new Z randomly spawned in. I was this close to buying one, bro. This close. Well, the dealer was smoking someone that good that day, bro. I was ready to make a deal that day, buy the car, and nah, old man was tripping. I'm not a fan of Underglow, but that looks good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty fucking good. Damn, bro, this is a super fire Urus, bro. That's one of the nicest ones I've ever seen, I think. I'm telling you guys, I'm not a fan of Underglow, but that looks pretty fucking good. Integra Type S, bro, she's are fire. Super fire. Little too crazy of a price tag in my opinion. Once again, a lot of cars are overpriced nowadays, bro, but I think that car's better than a Type R. But once again, too expensive. Demon just pulled up. J80 on the Venturas. CSL stocks, I think. So that's one part of the meet. There's a whole ass meet over here too. F82, yeah, bro. I literally freaking guessed it too. I was like, after the VQ's scene dies, BMW's taking over, and sure enough, BMW's took over. Sheesh, F80. Sometimes I still think about that white one that I missed out on. Ooh. Champagne quartz. This is the best color BMW has ever released. My wrap reminds me of it a little bit. Damn, someone's smoking that loud, bro. Yeah, guys, I don't usually come out to these meets, but when they're held in my hometown, you know I gotta pull up. See, guys, from this angle, it kind of looks like champagne quartz. Kind of, okay? Don't. Kind of. I'm saying kind of. This is so fire, bro. They really bought a quad to the meet. I'm sure about the Banshee. Oh, shit. Sick ass fool. I can't exaggerate how packed this thing is, bro. There's also cops across the street already, but I think they pulled somebody over. Or I don't know. I think that homie Jimmy's trying to leave already, and I'm not against it. They got super packed, bro. Cop just pulled up. Not sure if they're here in a friendly way or in everybody's getting a ticket away. Super clean. J82 M4 just pulled up, and I don't know what kind of blue, but it's a blue. Ah, bro's about to run us over. 1, 2, and 3. Damn. Yeah, well, this thing is. There's no shot rating out. Hey, that's a nice ass color. Bro, what happened to car meets? What is this? Go ahead and hit my shit, my boy. I need a GTR anyways. Boom. Bro, they just announced that they're gonna do a slap box fight or whatever. There's no fucking way, bro. Yeah, there's no shot I'm gonna get over there, but I think they really are gonna slap box, bro. That's crazy. What happened to car meets? No, there's no way. They actually do. Yeah, sorry guys. Even if I wanted to get over there, I can't. There's like no shot. I should have brought a drone or something. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright guys, it looks like this night here has come to an end finally. I've been trying to leave for like the past hour. I need to pee, but it's all been, and hopefully we don't take forever to get out. It's just still packed. Yeah, the revving has started, guys. We're cooked. That's so funny, bro. So me and Jimmy actually split up, and since we live like down the street from where the meet happened, we know like the ways around. We split up, went 2 different ways, and we ended up meeting each other again. Made it out. F80s are so nice. Seeing this guy's car sometimes, it makes me kind of like think about the white F80 that I was supposed to get. But I feel like I still made the right decision. I think. Alright guys, we made it back home safe and sound. With no tickets, no accidents, thank God. And I parked super close. With that being said, guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be there whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for some more Boosted Z and MP40i content. Peace out, guys.